Today we will solve Hermite equation. What is Hermite equation? This is a differential equation which expressed as d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2ny is equals to 0. We have to find the solution of this Hermite equation. For this, what we have to do? We have to put a series solution using Frobenius method. The Frobenius method is saying that if any differential equation of order 2 gives the solution like the power series, that is summation of ar x raised to the power m plus r, whereas r equate to 0 to infinity. Or we can write it as x raised to the power m a naught plus a1 plus a2 up to infinity. a1x, x square and so on. If this is the solution, then it satisfies the equation first. So we have to put the results in equation first. In the equation first, we can see that there exists dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So dy by dx gives the results as summation of r is equals to 0 to infinity ar m plus r x raised to the power m plus r minus 1, and d square y by dx square will be ar m plus r as it is, and x raised to the power m plus r minus 1 differentiate give us m plus r minus 1 x raised to the power m plus r minus 2. Put these results in the equation first. We get summation of ar m plus r minus 1 x raised to the power m plus r minus 2 minus 2x summation ar m plus r x raised to the power m plus r minus 1 plus 2ny, that is 2n summation ar x raised to the power m plus r gives the results 0. We can rewrite it as summation of ar m plus r minus 1 raised to the power x raised to the power m plus r minus 2 minus 2 ar m plus r x raised to the power m plus r minus 1 into x gives the result x raised to the power m plus r minus summation exists everywhere 2 plus 2ny, that is 2n summation ar x raised to the power m plus r is equals to 0. This condition, when we solve, we get Now we have to put the value of dy by dx and d square y by dx square as like this, and we get the results like ar m plus r plus 1 x raised to the power m plus r minus 2a, and this. When we solving this, we can see here that x raised to the power m plus r minus 2 is exist, and in the next term there is x raised to the power m plus r is exist. So we have to put the value of r like r is equals to 0 and r is equals to 1. So we get the results x raised to the power m plus r when r is equals to 0 gives m minus 2 and this gives m minus 1. So the equation becomes like this. So now what we have to done? We have to equating the coefficients of different power of x. When we equating the lowest degree term, that is coefficient of x raised to the power m minus 1 equating to 0, we get the results. Our initial equation becomes a naught m into m minus 1 gives us the result 0. As we know that a naught cannot be 0, so we can say that here m is equals to 0 or 1. Secondly, we have to next lowest degree term is x raised to the power m minus 1 in this equation. So equating the coefficient of x raised to the power m minus 1, we get the results a1 m into m plus 1 gives 0. So a1 cannot be 0. Again we get the value of m as 0 and 1, 0 and minus 1. Thus the root of initial equations are integers and different by an integer. So from there we can say that the common root of this initial equation obtaining from the Hermite equation is 0. So for 0 we will solve the equation. Again we have to equating the coefficient of general term. The most general term is x raised to the power m plus r. So we have to equate the coefficient of x raised to the power m plus r. What we will find here, the coefficient of x raised to the power m plus r. From here we get ar plus 2 m plus r plus 2 m plus r minus 1 minus 2a m plus r minus n equating to 0. That is ar plus 2 m plus r plus 2 m plus r plus 1 minus 2ar m plus r minus n equating to 0. So we get the result ar plus 2 is equals to 2 m plus r minus n ar divided by m plus r plus 1 m plus r plus 2. For the value of r, as you know, value of r is always positive. So for the value of m, different value of m, we can see here the common value of m is 0. So we have to solve this. We have to find the terms at m is equals to 0. So for m is equals to 0, we get the results from here. ar plus 2 becomes 2 plus 2 into m is equals to 0 here, r minus n ar divided by m is equals to 0, that is r plus 1 r plus 2 for positive value of the r. So taking the value of r as 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get the result when r is equals to 0. This gives the results a2 equal to, when r is equals to 0 here, 2 into minus n a naught divided by 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 2 2, that is divided by 2. So we get the results 2 into minus n divided by 2 into 1. We can write it as minus 1 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 1 n divided by 2 factorial and also a naught here. When we put the value of r as 1 in this equation, we get A3. That is A3 is equals to 2 into 1 minus n AR, that is A1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3. This can write as minus 1. We have to take a common out minus from here, that is this gives the results n minus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power n, 1, 2 raised to the power 1, A1 n minus 1 divided by 3 factorial. We have to find the different value of AR, putting the value of R as when R is equals to 2 now. So A4 gives the results like 2 into 2 minus n divided by 4 into 3 A2. When we put the value of A2, we get the results minus 1 whole square n into n minus 2, 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 4 factorial A0. Similarly, when we find the value of A5, that is when we put the value of R as R is equals to 3, we get the value of A5. A5 gives the results minus 1 raised to the power 2, n minus 1, n minus 3, 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 factorial A1. So we can say from here that as like in the Legendre equation, we get the different value of A1, A2, A3. So we can see here the even value of R gives the results in the form of A0, and the odd terms of R gives the results in the form of A1. So there will be the two coefficients present in the solution. When we put the different value of AR corresponding to different value of R, we get the results. What was the solution? The solution was y is equals to A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus and so on A3x cube plus something up to infinity. So put the value of A1, A2, A3 as we discuss here, all the terms containing A0 and A1. So we have to put here and we get the results A0 into 1 plus minus 1 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 1 n over 2 factorial x square and so on. You should have to put the value of, this is the value of A2, A0, A2, A4. Now the next value of A4, A6 and even terms. And the coefficients of A1 containing the odd terms only. So odd terms will be written as A1 into x plus minus 1 raised to the power 2, 2 into n minus 1 divided by 3 factorial x raised to the power 3 and plus minus 1 square 2 raised to the power 2 n into n minus 1 into n minus 3 by 6 factorial x raised to the power 5 plus up to infinity. What is the kth term for even terms? This is minus 1 raised to the power k, 2 raised to the power k, n into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to n minus 2k plus 2 over 2k factorial x raised to the power 2k. And what is the kth term in the even odd terms? This will be minus 1 raised to the power k, 2 raised to the power k, n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 up to n minus 2k plus 1 divided by 2k plus 1 factorial x raised to the power 2k plus 1. So we get from here two different solutions. One solution containing two different solutions which contains even power of the x and other one contain odd power of the x. So we can say, we can see from here that when we put the value of m as 1, when m is equals to 1, then we obtain the solution as like this, which containing only odd terms. Therefore, we have to reject it. As we discussed earlier, we reject the value of m is equals to 1. So, m is equals to 1 gives the results like this term. So, this term can be neglected. So, now the solution becomes y is equals to a naught into 1 plus minus 1 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 1 and x square by 2 factorial plus minus 1 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 2 n into n minus 2 divided by 4 factorial x raised to the power 4 and so on. So this is the general solution of Hermite equation for m is equals to 0. Or we can say that y1, this called y1 and this called y2 of x. y1 of x and y2 of x are linearly independent solution. So for the any independent solutions, we can write one of them and we can say this is the general solution for the Hermite equation. This defined the independent solution of Hermite equation. From here, we can also say that the polynomial of Hermite, that is Hermite polynomial, can be defined from here like this. Hn of x, denoted as Hn of x, Hermite polynomial, gives the result summation of r is equals to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 raised to the power r n factorial divided by r factorial n minus 2r factorial 2x raised to the power n minus 2r. This is the Hermite polynomial. So we can say that from here, this is the specific term, that is n by 2 can be defined as n by 2 for even n and n minus 1 by 2 for odd terms. So this is the Hermite polynomial and we will discuss this. We will discuss all the Hermite equation, Hermite solutions or generating function of the Hermite equation or Hermite polynomial, Rodriguez formula for the Hermite polynomial and recurrence relation on it, orthogonality condition which contains only Hermite polynomial. Now we have not to write the large solution as we discussed earlier. This was the large solution, so we have not to write this large solution. So for our simplicity, we can say that we have to write it as the Hermite polynomial like this. Today's thought is, excellence cannot be achieved without taking pride in performance. So excellence is not an act, but it is a habit. So practice on your habits. It gives the result better in the future.